Hi guys, this is Maraasim from Taaseer. I am introducing to you. It is an Afghani traditional skin toner for your skin and you can use it on your daily basis. It's a rose water spray. So you can directly, there is a spray bottle inside, you can directly spray it onto your skin. It leaves your skin fresh and invigorated. So you can keep it on your purse, you can keep it along, you don't have to wash your face every time, you don't have to switch to chemicals every time, you don't have to go for a face wash every time. And it also gives you an exclusive fragrance of rose directly imported from Iran, from Ishfan Valley. So try this rose water, try this toner of Taaseer and you will enjoy it. Thank you.